My name is Kason, and I'm going to replant a plant. First, you put some dirt in that to shovel out.
Okay, need more.
That's soil.
More.
Don't tell me. That's good. Now, then you poke holes. Then put a tomato plant.
Oh, what kind of plant was that?
Tomato plant. Now I have to replant some more. Hold on. I have to replant my flower. It's a little flower that didn't grow yet. Then I just put it. I have to find that blue little, the blue. Where did that blue thing go? There it is. So I poke a hole. I put it in there.
That's a little plant, isn't it?
Yeah. You can talk when I do the video. Then you put it in there and bury it up.
Okay.
And one more plant.
Okay.
That's. What does weeds look like?
Like that one right there.
This one?
Yeah, you don't want to put weeds in there.
Ew.
But we don't have any more plants to put in there.
Yes, we do.
You can put another tomato plant.
Oh.
Why don't you put another tomato plant?
Are you dead? Are you dead, kitty? Look at this big one.
Yeah. No, put it in the pot.
No, you said plant that one. And that's now I'm going to get something. Ow!
You need to hurry up, Kason. The video's about to run out. Just one. And put it in that pot.
This is I have to get some rocks. Let me say, some plants don't have to have rocks.
Okay, go ahead and plant it. Dig your little hole.
Some plants don't have to have rocks. So now I plant it, then I bury it back up. Not yet, guys.
And
Now I have to fix my little plant again. Then bury it back up.
that's it.
Then here's your plant.